Today we will discuss about electric water heater. Electric water heater is used in our day-to-day life for heating the water. Firstly, we will discuss about all the parts of the electric water heater. We have a steel shell with refractory lining for preventing heat loss. This is control panel which is connected to the heating elements of the electric water heater for controlling the flow of electricity and give supply to the heating element according to the condition. This is tube from which cold water will be enter in the electric water heater, and this is the tube from which hot water will be go outside from the electric water heater. There is a relief valve if there are insufficient pressure in the electric water heater, then this valve will work and this discharge pipe will discharge all the water. This is drain for cleaning purpose, and this is sacrificing rod. Why this is called sacrificing rod? Because it prevent from the corrosion to the electric water heater and take all the corrosion on itself. So it is called sacrificing rod, made up of magnesium, also called anode rod. Now we see the working of electric water heater. This control panel will give supply firstly to the upper heating element, and this upper heating element will heat the upper drum, and after some time this control panel will give this supply to the lower heating panel. Then lower heating panel will work and upper heating panel will stop working. Then water will be enter from the in pipe, and the whole water of the electric water heater will be heated and go outside from the out pipe. So from the in pipe water will be enter, and from the out pipe hot water will be out. So this is the simple process of electric water heater. Electric water heater is used approximately 120 degree Fahrenheit to 140 degree Fahrenheit heating. Thank you for seeing this video. For more updated videos, you can subscribe me on my channel Learn and Grow. Thank you.